Welcome to Lydia's Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to make samosa pockets from scratch. For the ingredients you'll need 2 cups all-purpose flour, sifted, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, and freshly squeezed lemon. Start mixing in the dry ingredients first, the garlic powder and the salt. Mix it in together thoroughly. Then start putting in the oil, canola oil, and lemon, squeezed lemon. Then start kneading the dough. The aim here is to knead the dough into a stiff dough. Stiff but soft dough. I'm gonna transfer my dough into a clean surface and start kneading the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes. After kneading the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes, I'm gonna place it in my bowl and cover it to rest for about 30 minutes. After resting the dough for 30 minutes, I'm gonna start cut it into about 6 pieces. I'm gonna form little balls and put them to the side. I'm gonna start rolling the little balls into 6 pieces. After that, I'm gonna sprinkle some oil on the 6 round shapes I made. Sprinkle some oil on all of them and use my pastry brush to spread the oil. After brushing in my oil, I'm gonna sprinkle some flour on top of my shapes. I'm gonna place one shape on top of the other one. Then I'll sprinkle some more oil on top of it. Brush it with my pastry brush. Place it on top of it. Sprinkle my oil, brush it in with my pastry brush, and place it on top of this other one. So I've layered in my pastry into 3 parts, as you can see. Now I'm gonna try and roll this one and spread it out to expand it Fly your surface with some flour. Make sure they are even. I'm gonna gently roll my dough. The aim here is to try and expand it as wide as the size of my pan. Gently spread the dough. It's expanding. Meanwhile, the pan is heating up. I'm gonna place my dough on my heating pan until it starts to show some little bubbles. When you see a bubble forming, turn it to the other side and make sure your fire is on low heat. The idea here is not to cook it until it's cooked, it's just to kind of warm it. Turn off the heat. Place it on a surface and cut it into 4 parts before you start to separate your dough. I'm gonna now try to separate my dough slowly. Make sure you're very gentle so it doesn't tear. You see? That way. It doesn't have to be so perfect. Now I'm gonna show you how to fold the pastry. Fold it like that. Put in your paste of water and flour. Bring it over. Open it up. Put in your filling. Tuck it in. And then close it up. Just like that. Try to, if in case you see little holes on the side, make sure it's really sealed because you don't want the samosa to fill up with oil. Let me show you another one. Fold it that way. Bring it over. Fill it in with your filling. Tuck it in. Just like that. In case you see little holes on the corner, just put in your little paste so you can close it up. My oil had already heated up, and if you want to know whether the oil is ready, you put in a little piece of pastry. When it comes up immediately, you know the oil is ready. Now you can start cooking the samosas. Make sure there is not so much heat. Turn it to the other side until it's thoroughly cooked. Turn and toast them until they are thoroughly cooked. What you're looking for is a nice golden color. Now the samosas are ready. Drain the oil and place them on a paper towel. Let them cool before you eat them. You can garnish your samosas with a wedge of lemon or lime, and they can be eaten with a snack or as an appetizer. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thank you and God bless you.